Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to play Roblox on two devices at the same time on one device. So this particular method works on the Windows without needing any kind of risky tools, and it also lets you run both the accounts smoothly. So first of all, what you can do is you can just simply use the Roblox's Microsoft Store version along with the regular browser version. So here, as you can see, currently I'm using roblox.com on my web browser. But if I want to open another account of mine, what I can do is I can simply click on the option of Microsoft Store in my Windows PC or laptop. Over here, when you search for the option of Roblox, you will find the Roblox application over here. So this is the application for Roblox in Windows. So here, when you click on the option of Get, this application will be installed in your device. There, instead of logging to that particular account which is already there in your web browser, you can just simply log in with the help of your second account, and then you can start using both of these accounts at the same time simultaneously. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.